What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sage Union token. Ticker symbol is SAGU. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly April 29th, which is today at 9 a.m. UTC time. This token got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol SAGU, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter, their X, in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Sage_official_X. 60,300 Twitter followers. SageUnion.world is the web page. They have a blue verified check mark. And if you go to the web page, you can also find a full document section that will take you over to their Git book. Now, Sage Union is an innovative AI-based platform designed to collect, refine, and distribute high-quality information through the power of human-AI collaboration. In the early stages, the platform will leverage a Telegram mini app to engage users in providing valuable data by answering weekly questions. This data will be processed and evaluated by an AI system, which will determine the quality and credibility of the information submitted. Based on this assessment, participants will be rewarded with SAGU tokens, a utility token built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Sage Union's ultimate goal is to evolve into an advanced information platform that delivers reliable, high-value insights to users, powered by the collective intelligence of the community and the analytical capabilities of artificial intelligence. Now, in today's digital ecosystem, the abundance of information has paradoxically made it more difficult to access credible, high-quality knowledge. The rapid spread of misinformation, biased content, and low-effort data has led to a significant degradation in the reliability of publicly available information. Furthermore, current AI models heavily rely on vast data sets, often scraped from the internet, which may include low-quality or inaccurate information, thereby limiting the effectiveness and trustworthiness of AI-generated content. There is a clear gap in the market for a system that can continuously collect, verify, and enhance the quality of information in collaboration with real human input while incentivizing participants to contribute meaningful, truthful data. So their vision and mission is to build a trusted, decentralized information ecosystem where human intelligence and artificial intelligence collaborate to provide high-quality, verified knowledge for everyone. Their mission, Sage Union, aims to foster a sustainable information sharing community where users are fairly rewarded for their contributions, enhance the quality of information through AI-driven evaluation and human participation, Create an accessible, transparent platform that addresses the global demand for credible, insightful data. Empower individuals to participate in the growth of collective intelligence and benefit from the information economy. Now, the current issues in the information ecosystem. Number one is information overload. Users are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content, misinformation and disinformation, lack of incentives for quality contributions, AI's dependency on low-quality data sets, and no feedback loop. So the potential of human-AI collaboration, the synergy between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, has the potential to redefine the way information is gathered, validated, and shared. So human users possess contextual understanding, cultural knowledge, and critical thinking skills, while AI systems offer scalability, pattern recognition, and data analysis capabilities. When combined effectively, they can collaborate on enhancing data accuracy, accelerating knowledge growth, creating a sustainable ecosystem, and building a trusted knowledge base. So they have here the token information. They have a roadmap. They have all sorts of governance information on their document section. So you can get involved with the DAO, voting rights and whatnot. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan. Total supply is 10 billion tokens. And it says this is the utility token, the core asset of the Sage Union ecosystem, facilitating rewards, platform utility, and community governance. The token is designed to incentivize user participation, support platform operations, and establish a sustainable, community-driven information system. Now, 70% of the tokens went to airdrops. So it says 70% of the tokens will be distributed via airdrops to early participants in the community to foster engagement. 15% will be allocated to ensure liquidity and facilitate future exchange listings for smooth trading. And 15% to the team for ongoing development to ensure the project's long-term success. So their team introduction is also on their Gitbook. You can find it at sageunion.gitbook.io. If you're looking for more information, you can also check out the socials, and you can find this token listed as of today, basically right now, on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.